Hello everyone, this is Hotmate, and finally it's time for the crash test of this Audi Bulkin. Guys, sorry for the delay. The video got 1000 likes really quickly. I didn't expect that. There are already over 4000 likes on that video about Bulkin. That's really great. I hope you'll enjoy this video just as much. I'll repeat, this Audi Sport 6 is made of modeling clay, which convincingly mimics bent metal. That's why today we're going to crash this Audi, do a crash test. If you haven't seen the detailed review of this Audi yet, it's on the channel. Go check it out. So, what was the reason for the delay? The video? I was waiting for a package with a remote controlled car that was supposed to go up to 40 kilometers per hour. That's exactly what we're going to find out today. Here is the car. You can adjust its speed and it's very fast. Alright, let's get started with the crash test, but first I need to add some weight to this car, so I'll attach a bit of modeling clay on top. It's hard to control this car, it's very fast and small, so it's difficult to hit the target, but the impact landed right on the left front fender, slightly crumpled the hood, and you can see the pink modeling clay. Alright, let's try again. To be continued. The impact hit the left side again, the hood flew off and the fender got scratched. There was even a cut and we can see a tire mark on the door. Here goes another try to crash into the bumper. Again, the impact hit the left side and we can see that the bumper bent pretty badly and the hood flew off again. Well, as usual, so these are the damages we got. Now I'll try to crash into the other side. The impact hit the right fender, it touched the wheel, and when it hit, the rear left door opened. Now I'll crash into the driver's side. The driver's door was torn off, the impact hit the rear door in the lower part and the rear wheel was also slightly bent. Well, now I'll crash into the other side. The impact hit the front door, it was bent inward, and it seems like nothing else was damaged. Now I'll crash into the back. So what do we have here? So the impact hit the rear bumper, it bent a little, shifted toward the wheel, and the roof pillar got bent. And overall it took on a more rounded shape. Yeah, that was quite a strong impact. Alright, let's try again. That's insane, probably the strongest hit yet. The roof bent upwards, the bottom downwards, forming kind of a circle. The front door got completely jammed, and on the other side all the doors flew off. Yeah, that was a really strong hit. Finally, I crushed the Audi with a tank after loading it with 1 kilogram of modeling clay. Let's see what comes out of this. Subtitles by Dimatorzo. Subtitles by Dimatorzo. That's it. The tank is parked with hazards on and a dead battery. I guess we'll stop here. These are the reactions Audi received. Just insane. Dynamic. Well, that's how the crash test turned out. Give a like if you feel sorry for Audi and if you liked this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and join the VContact group if you want to stay up to date with everything. The link will be in the description. Alright guys, thanks everyone for watching. See you all later.